Hey guys, so earlier we were doing really simple one-step, multi-step ratio problems. This one gets really confusing because there's like two fractions in here and there's an original price, and then they're using words like markup and markdown and discount, and what does that even mean? So let's break it apart. All right, honestly, most of this problem is just information that you don't need to know. So this is saying, how much profit will the business make on the sale of a couch that is marked up by 1/3 and then sold at 1/5 off discount if the original price is $2,400? So what we need to start with is figuring out that markup price. So to do that, we're going to kind of do the opposite of what we did in the previous video. So we are going to start with our original price. And in the previous video, we subtracted a portion of the sale price. But because we're marking up, we are going to add the portion. So I'm going to add 2,400 times 1/3. So exact same thing, just going and doing that separately. Going and adding instead. So to throw that in my calculator, I'm first going to figure out what is 1/3. What is the decimal of 1/3? And that's what that is. 0.33333. It just repeats. So I need to then multiply by my 2,400. That's what this part says right here. 2,400 times 1/3. That's what that says. Okay, so when I do that, I get 800. What did I have to do? I had to add that to my original price. So plus 2,400. All right. So my markup price is $3,200. Okay. Now I have to mark down. I have to discount. I have to discount that profited marked up price. So instead of using that 2,400, I have to use my 3,200. Okay, and this is when we're going to do that original step that we did. We subtracted the price multiplied by that sale price, sale fraction, right? It's a fifth down. Okay, so I'm going to again figure out what's my 1/5. My decimal is 0.2. Okay, well, I'm going to multiply that by 3,200. All right, so on this side, I know that this is 640. So I then have to go 3,200 minus 640, which is 2,560. Okay, this is where it gets tricky. So now it's asking for what's the profit? What did you profit off of this marked up price? So profit equals sales price minus original price. So our sale price was 2,560. And our original price was 2,400. So I plug that in my calculator, and I'm going to say minus. I need a minus 2,400. So I made an extra $160 by marking it up and then saying it's on sale. So these business guys can be pretty tricky. So this one, you really have to break down what step goes when. If you come to one of these problems, throw this video on and watch it as you're going through your problem to see if you can figure it out. Okay, I hope that helped.